Welcome to FormAlert. This is a quick demo of the booking system. So there are a couple of ways you can add new appointments. You can go to new, add a coming appointment. For now this will be manual. I'll be adding my number. I'll select the date for tomorrow. Today my thing is closed, and I'll create an upcoming appointment. Appointment has been confirmed. So the appointment should be, so tomorrow I have an upcoming appointment. I have also received the appointment confirmed from a WhatsApp notification saying the appointment has been confirmed. So I can send a reminder here. Reminder has been sent. It'll take some time for it to show up. Okay, here's the reminder, and then I can complete it. And when I complete it, I can also send a review. Appointment has been completed and review request has been sent, so it should be here. Okay, complete visit. And this is how your client can complete a review, and this is how review requests are automatically done. Now I'll show you the patient view. This is your booking form. So when you book, today my clinic is closed, so no slots available. Tomorrow I booked one slot, so one slot is missing right now. I booked the 9 o'clock slot, so this is live availability. I'll book for 9:30. This will be online. Phone number is again the same, 702616393. I'll confirm the booking. Okay, so I'll confirm the booking. Appointment has been successfully booked, so I should be getting a notification, and the business should also be getting a notification. Let's check for that. Okay, so I've gotten a notification saying new appointment confirmed. This is the business notification, and so let me book another appointment. 10 o'clock online, 8486277. Okay, confirm booking. Now I should be getting a proper. Yep, I got this appointment booking. This is the review. This is the location that you get. As you can see, they can come directly to maps. So this is your complete review. And so if you want to share your booking form, this is how you share your booking form. You go to share form. If you have a website, you can just embed this HTML code here. For your physical cards and signages, prescription, even on your sign, you can have this QR, and then people can book online. If you don't have a website, you can just copy this and give it to them. Put it in your WhatsApp status or in your social media. So here's your booking form, live 10:30, because we have demoed out 3 slots, and this is your complete demo. I'll show you the appointments page once. There it is. All of your appointments for today. One complete. You can complete this. No, just complete if you aren't satisfied with it. So that's it.